This bagel French toast was a hit, y'all. As you can see, there's hardly any left. If y'all missed yesterday's video, I'll link it down below. I'm pretty sure this was the kids' favorite way I've ever done a baked French toast with the bagels. Normally, I have a lot more left over than this. To eat a square. See, his sandwich is the shape of a square? So he says, I like to eat a square. Very good. Now what's she saying over here? I like to eat
a triangle.
A triangle. Very good. Okay, what's she saying? I like
circle.
To eat an oval. It's not quite a circle, it's an oval. See? Let's say that one again. I like to eat an oval. Good. Here's the circle. He's got a cookie. I like
to eat the circle.
To eat a circle. Good. I like to eat a, what's she got?
A watermelon.
A watermelon.
I like to eat and half circle.
Very good. A half circle. That's good.
Steaks are fun for lunch.
Very good. You want pepperoni or cheese?
Pepperoni. Cheese. Pepperoni.
You want 2 pieces? There you go. Cheese for Sissy? Manly, you want cheese or pepperoni?
Can I open up the door handle?
Come now. It's a little bit after 4 o'clock now. We're gonna go ahead and get supper started. I peeled these carrots. Now I'm slicing them. We're gonna make some oven roasted spiced carrots, some cottage potatoes, great northern beans, pork chops, and biscuits. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do cornbread or biscuits, but I think I've decided on biscuits. I can use that little piece of carrot there. Now these cottage potatoes that we're gonna be making, I was gonna make fried potatoes, but I saw this recipe for cottage potatoes the other day. They're made a little bit different than fried potatoes. So we'll try them tonight. See how they are. The big pieces of carrots like this, I'm just cutting them in half. The carrots are what's gonna take the longest. They have to bake in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So once we get these in the oven, we'll make the biscuits, so then we'll start the potatoes. And the beans, I'm just gonna use canned beans tonight because I didn't start any dry ones in time. All right, I have about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna pour this on the carrots. We'll stir those around. Okay, so I transferred them to this 8x8 casserole dish, and I probably could have just mixed them with the butter in here, but anyway, I didn't know if there would be enough room in here. I'm not making a lot of carrots because I know not everybody's gonna want the carrots. The potatoes, beans, biscuits, pork chops, yes, but not the carrots. So I didn't make too many of these. It depends on how I make the carrots. Cece's the only one who doesn't really love carrots. She used to hate them. She doesn't hate them so much anymore. But even the boys, it depends on how I make them. If I make those sweet, like Cracker Barrel style carrots, like they make the sweet glazed carrots and all that, they like those. We're gonna put some salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, garlic powder. And the last thing is just a little bit of ground ginger. We're not gonna put a lot of that at all, just a little. Just gonna put a few little pinches there. So these are gonna go in the oven. It's already preheated and ready. Now we'll make the biscuits. For the cottage potatoes, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in this pan. I've just got it on low right now to be warming up while we slice the potatoes. Okay, so we wash the potatoes. We're gonna leave the peeling on. Before we start slicing them, we'll mix up the seasoning that we're gonna put on them. We need some salt. This will probably be easier just to take this off. So just some salt and pepper. Garlic powder. Okay, we'll mix all that together. With the potatoes, we're also gonna cook an onion in there with them, but not until the end. I think I can fit all these in that pan. Got one of the biggest ones out, so they should fit. So we're gonna cut them about that thick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up to medium now. Think there's a bunny out there? Oh, what am I doing? I'm throwing those back into my potato bag. Okay, we're gonna put the potatoes in, and mine are not gonna be able to be a single layer because I'm gonna try to fit them all in here. That's okay. We'll just stir them a little more than we would have to. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the seasoning on here. And then we'll put the rest of our potatoes on top. More seasoning, and then we're going to cover these. They're going to cook on medium for 8 minutes. Then we'll add the onions in, and they'll cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes. I almost forgot, we add a little bit of butter. I think it's been close to 10 minutes. I flipped the potatoes a few times. Now we're going to add these onions. We'll put a little bit more of the seasoning and then the top back on for 10 to 15 more minutes, and we'll stir them a few times in between that too. Alright, these are almost done. We went ahead and taste tested them. They are great, y'all. They're like fried potato meets steamed / baked potato. We also tasted the carrots. They're great too. These would both make really good side dishes for Easter.